Hi everyone, in today's video, we're going to see how to automate three-way matching between an invoice, a purchase order, and a goods receipt using eZintegrations integrated with Acumatica ERP. In many organizations, invoice validation is still manual. It is time-consuming, prone to errors, and difficult to scale. More importantly, it increases compliance risks and can result in payments for goods that were never received. With eZintegrations, we design a fully automated workflow that handles everything end-to-end. Here's how the workflow works. Whenever any email is received in a designated email inbox, eZintegrations fetch that invoice from the email, and AI extracts structured data from the invoice. Then, eZintegrations lookups to Acumatica ERP using REST APIs. It fetches purchase order data and goods receipts data for particular invoice. After that, the core business logic executes. It compares header-level details and line item details. If everything matches, the invoice is marked as pass. If anything mismatches, it is marked as rejected with a clear failure reason. Finally, the validated results are stored in the target spreadsheet for further human review, else invoice should get approved in ERP. For this demo, we will fetch this invoice from Gmail. First, we set email as our source, from where we will fetch the invoice. We establish the connection by providing the Gmail credentials and move to the next step. Now the operation page opens. This is where the core business logic of the workflow is defined. In the first step, we attach the invoice PDF to SharePoint using the configured API. Next, we use the ERP API to connect eZintegrations with the system and look up for the corresponding purchase order data. Then, using another API call, we fetch and look up for the related goods receipt data from Acumatica. Once the invoice, purchase order, and goods receipt data are available, we use the AI operation to perform the comparison. The system validates the invoice against both the PO and the received quantities. After this step is completed, we click on Next to move to the final stage of the workflow. We will be redirected to the target page. Here, we will connect to SharePoint, where we want to create or update our spreadsheet with the validated data. Once the connection is successful, the workflow will know exactly where to store the processed data. After completing this setup, we will click on Next to proceed. The summary page will open. Here, we provide a workflow name and description. After reviewing all the details, we scroll down and click Submit to save the workflow. Once the workflow is saved, the integrations page opens. From here, you can manage and monitor your workflow. To start the integration, simply click on the Run button, and the workflow gets triggered. Within seconds, the workflow executes a complete, rule-driven three-way validation across the invoice, purchase order, and goods receipt data. The workflow validates items, quantities, and pricing across all documents. On a full match, the invoice moves directly to ERP approval, fast, automated, and intervention-free. However, in this scenario, the quantity and unit price do not match the purchase order and goods receipt. This creates a risk of paying for more units than actually received, for example, receiving 12 units but being invoiced for 32 at a higher rate. Such discrepancies are immediately detected and controlled through the automated validation workflow. When we review the output report, you can see that every line item is captured with full traceability, including match indicators and audit status. Headset and keyboard are explicitly marked as rejected, with detailed failure reasons generated after structured three-way reconciliation. With automated three-way matching, you prevent overbilling, you avoid paying for goods not received, you eliminate manual validation errors, you reduce compliance risks, you speed up invoice processing, and you scale accounts payable operations confidently. This is not just automation. This is financial control at scale. If you're looking to modernize your finance operations, this is the smarter and more secure way forward. Thank you for watching.